Hi, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on practice 5.8. Directions. List how you would read the following example. Remember that the anacrusis does not count as a measure. So I give you a sample down here. So let's go ahead and look at that. So we have this music, and first it says you're going to play measures 1 through 8, then repeat measures 1 through 8. So you would play through this, and then you would repeat it, right? Until here. Okay. So then what would you do next? We'll do this together. I don't have space to write it down here, so number 2. You're going to then play measures 9 through 10, right? And then you're going to repeat it. Then repeat measures 9 through 10. All right. So then what happens next? I'll put step 3 up here. You're going to play measures 11 through 15. Actually, that should be 11 through 14. My bad. Okay, so let me explain this numbering system. Remember that if you have an anacrusis, it doesn't count. So measure 11 actually starts here. Okay, so we have measure 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we're going to play measures 11 through 14. And then the last thing we're going to do, it says DC al fine, which means da capo al fine. Da capo means to the head. We go back here. So then we play measures 1 through 8. Da ba da ba da. And then we have to repeat it again. So then repeat measures 1 through 8. Whew, that's pretty tricky, right? So let's do that again. What we're going to do is we're going to play this. There's a repeat sign, so we go back to the beginning. This time we go all the way through, repeat sign, but it starts here, so we play this part twice. Then we go through here, and DC al fine means we go back to the beginning. We go here, and then we repeat. Now this step is actually optional. A lot of times people don't repeat after we have a DC, after we go back to the beginning, so that's really up to you. So I'm going to play it with all the repeats as we've listed here, and let's see how we do. And you're going to repeat. So we're going to keep going and repeat. We're on the third system. DC al fine. And last repeat. All right, so I slowed down there just so I can say, this is the end. But without these repeat signs, you could imagine how much music that would have taken. It would have taken many, many, many lines, right? So these repeat signs, words like DC, alla fine, They're really helpful. You'll see them all over your music. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 5.8. Thank you for watching.